Hey, hey, today I'm here to review the AUKEY mechanical keyboard. As you can see here, the Amazon listing. It's currently sells $60. I got mine for like 50 because it was, I got this like 6 months ago. As you can see, December 9 is currently March. This keyboard is really nice. It has a bunch of lighting effects. Let me see. See, you could do that. You can also switch it. I don't remember how it does that. Does that. That flickering you just saw was just because what frame rate the video was being shot. It doesn't do that in real life. Let me go back to my other one. Yeah, and then this is that. It's really cool. You can also lower the brightness of it. It's pretty clicky though. Kind of annoying at times, but it's a blue cherry switches, I believe. So that's also why it's so clicky. You can also change the speed of, I don't know if you guys can see it, hold on. It's like a wave pattern. You see? And then you slow it down. Overall, it's a really cool keyboard, and honestly, I just have it for the lights. That's literally the only reason. Otherwise, I'd probably buy some other quieter keyboard. I'll leave the link in the description for the keyboard.